Welcome to Jasmine Home and Garden, a place for calm interior design and elegant home decor. If you enjoy these ideas, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.
High-end garden styling begins with selecting containers that feel timeless and substantial. Choose materials like aged terracotta, glazed ceramic, cast stone, or matte charcoal fiberglass for a refined presence. Neutral tones such as soft white, warm taupe, deep charcoal, and muted sage create a calm foundation. Larger pots make a stronger statement and reduce visual clutter across patios and porches. Matching or thoughtfully coordinated containers bring harmony to the entire setting. When the vessels feel intentional and balanced, every plant placed inside them instantly appears more curated and luxurious. Professional styling relies on layering plants with varying heights and textures. Begin with a tall focal plant such as ornamental grasses or sculpted evergreens. Add mid-height fillers like geraniums, hydrangeas, or lush ferns to create fullness. Finish with trailing varieties that gently spill over the rim for softness. This classic thriller, filler, and spiller approach creates dimension from every angle. When arranged thoughtfully, containers look abundant yet controlled rather than crowded. Balanced layering transforms simple pots into elegant garden features. A high-end look often begins with a disciplined color palette. Limit plant selections to 2 or 3 complementary shades for a polished effect. Soft whites paired with lavender and silvery foliage feel serene and graceful. Deep burgundy mixed with blush pink creates warmth and richness. Repeating the same hues across multiple containers ties the landscape together. Avoid overly bright combinations that compete for attention. Consistency in color allows texture and form to take center stage. Placement can elevate ordinary pots into striking design statements. Frame entryways with symmetrical arrangements to create a welcoming first impression. Anchor porch corners with substantial containers to soften architectural lines. Position grouped pots at varying heights using sturdy stands or low pedestals. Repetition along pathways guides the eye naturally through the garden. Leave breathing room between groupings to maintain an uncluttered atmosphere. Thoughtful positioning ensures every container contributes to the overall composition. Texture is often what separates a simple arrangement from a refined display. Combine glossy leaves with feathery foliage and structured shapes for contrast. Pair structured boxwood with delicate trailing ivy for balance. Incorporate herbs like rosemary or lavender for both texture and subtle fragrance. Even ornamental grasses can add graceful movement in gentle breezes. When textures vary yet remain harmonious, containers feel curated rather than random. Layered textures invite closer appreciation while maintaining elegance. Refined gardens evolve gracefully with the seasons. Replace fading blooms with fresh varieties to maintain vitality and color. Spring may highlight tulips and pansies in coordinated shades. Summer can feature lush petunias, geraniums, and trailing calibrachoa. Autumn arrangements shine with ornamental cabbage and warm-toned foliage. Evergreens and winter branches provide structure during cooler months. Regular refreshes keep containers vibrant and aligned with the changing landscape. Healthy plants are essential for a truly elevated appearance. Invest in premium potting mix designed for container gardening. Ensure proper drainage to prevent roots from sitting in excess moisture. Consistent watering and balanced fertilizing encourage steady growth and lush foliage. Remove spent blooms promptly to maintain a neat presentation. Clean container surfaces periodically to keep them looking fresh. Well-maintained arrangements always appear more luxurious and intentional. Small details complete a high-end garden composition. Topsoil with fine gravel or natural moss for a finished look. Use discreet irrigation solutions to avoid visible hoses or clutter. Incorporate subtle outdoor lighting to highlight textures in the evening. Coordinate nearby cushions or outdoor textiles with plant colors for harmony. Keep surrounding surfaces clean and organized to preserve a serene atmosphere. With thoughtful finishing touches, potted plants become defining features of an elegant garden retreat.
Timeless home aesthetics rest on calm spaces, gentle color harmony, layered textures, and thoughtful flow that bring comfort into daily surroundings. If these ideas brought inspiration, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite detail in the comments so this space can continue to grow with warmth and elegance.